Hey guys, welcome back to another Rust tutorial. We're going to jump right in with our base coat of Rust-Oleum Satin Cinnamon spray paint. This will be the color that, in the end, shines through the metallic, so be sure to get a really good base coat on your part. Once this is dry, we're going to grab our matte clear coat and make sure that the part has good overall coverage to seal in the color. This next part is where the magic happens. You'll need some kosher salt, just enough for your project, and a spray bottle of water. Lightly mist over your entire part, and sprinkle the salt on surfaces where rust would occur naturally. What this will do is give the salt something to stick to, allowing it to stay in place while you apply your next layer of spray paint. Once you've got the salt looking the way you want it to, allow it to dry before grabbing some metallic spray paint. I'm using Krylon Fusion Metallic Shimmer. I chose this color because I felt it had the most realistic appearance once the process was complete. One thing to keep in mind while you're doing this is to lay down your paint in very light coats. You just want a dusting of paint on the part. Any heavier and it will soak into the salt. Next up, we'll take a chip brush, which I've trimmed down to make it more stiff, and you're going to brush away all of the salt from your part. What we've done is create a mask using salt that allows us to expose the rust paint color underneath. As an added bonus, we've created an organic texture to the part that's very similar to natural rust. One last pass with the matte clear coat to seal in your paint, and you're done. If you really needed to sell the realism, you could take it a step further by modeling in some shades of brown and yellow over your base color before applying the salt. You could take it a step further than that by applying a wash of brown or black acrylic paint and water after you've applied the metallic paint and have flaked away the salt, and before the final clear coat. Well, that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be alerted to the next time I put out a video. And until then, happy haunting.